We had another customer come in the other day with a ePropulsion Spirit Plus. The Spirit Plus was acting up. It was actually making like a weird ticking noise that uh, none of us really have heard before. So I told him stop using it, bring it in. And cool part was it was just a bearing. So because it was brand new under warranty, we were able to get it to be fixed for the customer for free. So don't let these things wait. Don't let these things sit there and then just say, "Oh, I'll take care of it later." Just bring it in to Tim Parkinson Marine.